Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be filming this makeup look for you guys. So today's focus will be on the base and how I am doing my base now, because I've made a few tweaks to it. So yeah. I've just primed my face and applied iconic drops on my high point. I'm literally just going in with my Estee Lauder foundation. I've not actually colour corrected guys today. I'm just going to blend that with my brush. And essentially what I'm doing is just pushing this product into my skin. I just want to try doing my makeup today without putting any colour corrector on and just see how that actually comes out. So the brush that I'm using today is the Sephora 56 foundation brush, and honestly I love this brush. It just gives such a nice soft finish to your application process, which makes it just easier when you go in with your beauty blender. And I'm just going to go in with the beauty blender and push this into my skin. And I'm just going to go in with my concealer. So I'm going to go in. Today I'm going to use the Kevyn Aucoin SX11. And I'm going to apply this with my finger. So just lightly underneath. And then taking it high up and then back down again. Same on this side. Taking it high up and then down. And I'm essentially just patting this into my skin. Now I'm going to use the medium tan neutral by Shape Tape, and I'm going to pop this very slightly just there and there. I'm just using my fingers, and then I'll go in with my beauty blender in a second. The beauty blender. This into the skin. I'm just going to go in with my concealer brush and press this in before I go in with. Cushion's really good for pushing in the product into the skin, and it just means that it just sits more flawlessly on your skin. And I feel like my latest technique, using the concealer brush and then applying, sort of blending with the beauty blender, makes the finish a lot more seamless. And I'm not taking my concealer all the way because I've got eyeshadow underneath my eye. I'm going to go in with my contour next. Go in with this shade and this shade for my contour. And I'm applying it to the high points, and once again pressing it into my skin, and I'll blend it afterwards. I'm just going to put some on my forehead, all the way around my chin, taking it down. So essentially you're creating a 3 shape. Go in and set all of this together. So I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty in the shade Banana Bread. The sponge for this. And then I'm going to press this into where I've applied my concealer. So before I do this, I'm just going to blend it one more time. The key, guys, is when you're taking your product and then buff it out so there's not a lot on there, and then press it in. Do you see how seamless that looks compared to the other side? So even though we're setting our face with powder, this will not mean that the look will be matte. If we want it dewy, I will show you how we do that at the end. This just means the makeup won't budge and it will stay like this. Then we go in with our Hoola contour and we buff this into the areas where we applied the contour. And now we're just going to go in with our NARS Orgasm in the liquid blusher. So I'm going to just take some product onto my skin. I take about 2 pumps and I think that's way more than enough. And then I'm just going to get my brush and push this in. And then take my beauty blender and just blend that out. Just over there, I've done some already on the other side, so literally a few drops and then just pressing this into the skin and it just gives a really nice glow. I'm just going to do my lower lash mascara. To finish the eyes off. For a heavy eye, I'm going to go for a very nudish lip. So I'm going to go in with my MAC lip liner in Whirl. And I'm just going to line my lips. And now I'm going to do the top part of my lips. And I'm very slightly just taking it over my lip line. See, that's just very nicely lifted the top Cupid's bow. And then I'm going to go in with the Anastasia lip gloss in the colour Amber. And I'm just going to apply this over my lips. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I really hope you picked up some hacks. Please do comment below if you have any further suggestions of what you would like to watch, and yeah, thank you so much for watching.